Naka-medyo ba yung team kanina? Kumpiyansa ba against Dorado?
Surprised nga ako dahil the energy level is too low. Maybe they're thinking of our next game on Wednesday. And nasira ang rotation ko because of our two big man, si Rico Meyerhofer and Doug Kramer. So na-sideline sila because of some injuries. And usually sa second quarter, nasusustain yung output ng nung first group But because we don't have the two guys, two big man, so nag-suffer yung rotation ko. And at the same time, I have to give credit to Koy Banal dahil it's a different outlook yung ginawa nila Yung lahat ng na-scout ko sa kanila, hindi nangyari. And on their defense, they're trying to put a big number 3 and 2 to our wingman. And mabuti na lang si Marcio Lassiter pumutok at least nung third quarter to fourth quarter because I'm expecting him to explode. Sabi ko, anytime pwede ka mag-explode. Just be patient dahil last game he made only 2 points. But tonight, I think nakafocus siya. And even though there's a hard defense on him, so he was able to deliver.
Be ready for Alaska?
I think anything naman, we can beat anything as long as na masusunod namin ang game plan namin. But the problem is we don't have enough time in preparation against Alaska. And extended yung minutes ng big man ko, si Arwin at saka si Junmar. But kung nando si Kramer and then Meyerhofer, I think we have a good chance. But I think we have a chance, but I think kailangan sundin namin yung game plan namin para sa kanila.
Question ng karesan ng dalawa to?
Na-sprain unfortunately si Kramer, na-sprain kahapon. In the last 5 minutes of power practice, walk-through na lang nakaapak ng paa, na-sprain. And then si Meyerhofer, because of our last game against Pure Foods, so nagkaroon ng contusion sa kanyang knee, so nagkaroon ng swelling But I think Wednesday titingnan natin kung pwede na. And kung pwede siya, it's a good help sa team dahil alam natin na maraming big man yung Alaska. Especially wala kami pamalit kay Junmar. It is against Toss. And then meron Manuel and then Abueva. And our main concern is Abueva. And he's the siya yung naging spark dito sa team nila Alaska. Well, I think si Arwin, he wants to win and nakapokus siya. He's our captain ball Actually, siya naging leader. Sabi ko sa kanya, mag-initiate ka na dahil kailangan ipakita mo yung leadership mo. And every time na magkakaroon kami ng problema, he's there And then, ini-encourage niya yung teammate na to play well. And I'm happy to see him dahil mukhang inspired siya